are vulnerable. You can see that house.
Where? There, the upper one.
The upper one.
Is that where we are going?
No.
But that's what should live here.
Absolutely.
And was he paid?
No, that place, the whole of the subcontinent was not affected by gift directives. So nobody from there has been paid.
The place is stable.
Slowly from the stream here, and it has been going and it is continuous. So when you go up here, you will view it better than we are here. And the crack of this one.
Why did somebody go up there?
That's what residence mine for years. For years.
How does he climb there?
Like we are climbing now.
How did he construct that house? How did he take the materials?
They can from up there. Most of them.
Muleke tubayambe kubanga omulaba ali mukuraka ali wite mukubire esimu ajje benefitinge soka mufira muze you can speak Luganda osobola kwogera olaba otya kya government okubagamba abantu bave wano okiraba otya honorable ekyo kyabera kirungi okutwala abantu bano okuwangula naye abalala bawangula n'abakodomi baabwe ne bagenda walala so ne balowooza nti muyinza okubatwala eyo ne muzimba emiti mu mataka gye baleka era tugenda kusimba mu miti saagala kubalimba bwe banaavaamu nti bajja kukomawo kati bwe bavaamu tebakomawo ono enanyini wali mujagenda mugikwa
kati oyinza kuba olaba landslide eri kugaringa awantu awo kati olina okutya n'ogamba kiki kigenda omumaaso awo kati n'otya n'ogamba enkuba lwaki enkuba ekubye nnyo luzi liyiza kuba katono oba ekuba nnyo kati okuba nnyo landslide nekolaki neyokaringa kati obeera mu nyumba noweyaliikirira ngenda kugenda n'enkuba oba ngenda kugenda ne landslide kati obeera nga oli kukola ki oli kutya ekindi ekyo
kati lwaki tiwasenguka
kati osenguka
ate nga wafuna esente wafuna sente
wafunako meka wafunako zenga kati ada ka usanga kutesa wafunako zenga
milioni emu
ya PDM
akoma pesa geko
ya PDM ke husenguka wafuna. So we are giving you 2 weeks to prepare to leave this place. Where is Ogwang? Please map him. He got money from Give directly, but as if he was given only 1 million. You also need to find out, because he's clear. He said he was given money, but he only received 1 million. Despite the fact that we want to relocate these people, they are using rudimentary methods of farming, and so they cannot get anything. In fact, they have nothing to lose here, which is too much, because you can see the coffee is in the bush, even the way they are looking after their bananas. So we need to, when they get better pieces of land, we need to teach them how to use modern farming methods. President, the government of Uganda, the NRM government, that was given a mandate by the people of Uganda, including Buduuda, we are saying we don't want to lose any more life. Enough is enough. So I want today to commission the team that is going to look after the relocation exercise. One is the office of the Prime Minister, headed by Ogwang, Jimmy Ogwang, together with the NECO officer, is called the General Brigadier Akiki Rugadia. Those two will come back here, but they should be joined by the DISO. The DISO for data. I need this data. And your Gisos should also join the team. Sub-county, we have 7 sub-counties, I'm told.
Critical ones.
So on that list, I want the local leaders to join that team. Give us the lists, especially those who have not yet received the 10 million from government. We have the 300, the 200 and what?
224.
The 224 we have already received. But the old man like this one, you Mzee Jangu, come. Mzee has not yet received the 10 million because he did not want to go to Bunamutie. He now says, give me 10 million, I relocate. Now we are going to allow you to open bank accounts, but even 10 million can go on a phone.
Yes.
10 million can go on a phone.
Yes.
And that gives us enough evidence that you have received the money and you must leave. We don't want to come here and push you. Otherwise, we shall not allow you to die. We shall push you from this place by force. We don't want to go there, relocate. Mzee, you are a professional, retired nursing officer. We don't want to lose you. Or you don't mind?
No. You need to be alive.
You still need to live. There's a younger man who found the other side. And many others. Please. The councillor is where? Our councillor. The elder councillor. I want him to help us to head this exercise. He knows these people better than all of us. Abantu baffe wano. Kati enkuba eyo yona ya chadda. DPC on this team. Whoever refuses to leave should leave by force. You either get the 10 million or you don't get, even if you don't want the money, you leave. Is that clear?
Clear.
Kati wano tusanze nga abantu bakyalemeddewo yadde nga bafuna miliyoni 7 eza give directly. Naye nga bo bagamba tebaagala kugenda eri Bunamutie eri gye twabatwala nga gavumenti. Kati tubagala tugenda kubawa miliyoni 10 baveewo. Oba ofunye miliyoni 10 ng'ozigaanyi era ojja kuvaawo. Kituyambe okutaasa obulamu kubanga mulabye olunyafa olwesaze mu kifo kino. Eyo sayini tusaawa yonna kino ekitaka kikola ki kijja kukka. Ate bwe kika olusozi lwonna nga lukola ki nga luvaayo. Olusozi luno tugenda kulukwasa Wildlife Authority erusimba emiti ate bateekemu ebisolo. Abalambuzi bajja kujjanga. Olusozi ne bwe luyiguka ne lugenda teruta abantu nga abaliwo. So tusaba mwena abali wano ba chairman muyambe mugende ku tiimu eno mugiyambe okuwandiika abantu abaagala ogenda eri waliyo yiika 2 za bwerere. Naye bambaga nti anze nina abaganda bange wano eyo sigenda. Vaayo. Genda.
When did this happen?
It happened in 2022 at night after heavy rainfall. People realized when it has happened just in the morning. At night they didn't know that the crack has happened here. And now most of the people, all of them, not most, all of them are now relocated to the relatives. They have not been given the 10 million for relocation. They are just in their relatives.
So there were homes here?
Yeah, there are homes here. There was a house here. Another one was there. Twakera kumacha netakajikuze
kuraka eno egenda paka luddawa
itandikira wano paka wali ku lukuuto.
Which is near here.
kati nayo noonyayo obululu
Eno yalinnya paka kuli. The one is here near.
nayo noonyayo obululu.
No, the crack is here.
Is here. Just starting from here. But it's the one which is this one.
Going
like this.
Which one?
It starts from here to goes down.
Where you are, we are on the crack.
The place where we are
It
starting.
is coming you.
No.
We are on the crack now. Thank you.
But one is there. There's one.
There's another.
There's a home here. A home is here. There's one.
These are the people we need to remove by force.
Yeah.
This one is the one that moves.
Where is the
This is the crack.
This is the one that stretches up to Kapchorwa.
This is the major one.
It has started.
And we are going to climb down.
Up.
And
Oh, yeah, Chaberawo. Yani.
it's my son.
Bamuita je.
How can you risk your son?
Is that person there?
Now, my,
How can you do
You try and see.
you have.
He's on the crack and you are keeping him
And it's
here.
your and you're senior counselor. You have never advised.
All over the distance.
A senior one who started right from Mbani.
I think we are tired of seeing this. Let that be the last, isn't it? So the president directed me to come here, and you know Majegere. Do you know how I do my things? Now it's a must. People must relocate by January. How many weeks are these? So within 2 weeks, the government has given us 50 billion. Remember, we have 5,700 homesteads. But remember, we are not to calculate the other ones in Mulambuli. Are we together? So in addition to the 10 billion we are given for you here, which some of you have refused to take. So even if you don't take the money, you will leave. Better you take the money. The president directed that all those people in dangerous enclaves of Mount Elgon and Mount Rwenzori must relocate. The word is must. It's not should. And you know the meaning of must. And once the president says that, it's a law. And so we are here to see that those people in dangerous enclaves or dangerous places are relocated to safer places. He gave us a number of options. There are just 3. 1, we give you 10 million in addition to what Give directly gave. We also give you land, 2 acres in Ibunamutie, and you relocate. That's option number 1. Option number 2, we give you 10 million if you are part of those who got from Give directly and relocate. There are those who do not want to go to Bunamutie, apparently. Isn't it? Apparently there are those who say, we are not forcing anybody. Before, she will have worked with her in the Prime Minister's office. She's my darling. This lady you see here, I was the only minister who was loved in Prime Minister's office. That's why she gave me priority. And she has been my friend for many years. Up to cabinet. Yes, I have to thank you for the love you have offered me, because if you did not like me, these projects wouldn't have started with Buduuda, Right Honorable Prime Minister. So I wanted to air out that such that the people of Buduuda can also hear. I have been telling them, but now I have told them in your presence. Thank you so much, without wasting time, because we are going to the field, Right Honorable Prime Minister. With a lot of
That's the permission.
You know, we have even a school up there.
For government.
For government.
How did we construct it?
Until when you go there, you will see that we have really
Can a
suffered.
vehicle reach there?
No,
we take
we
the
pack
materials
it.
On the head?
Yes.
And then right, this is my constituency. Whenever I talk in the parliament that this hard-rich area, this is
People
it.
say, no.
But and another one, 638, 567 have been paid. When the OPM team came on the ground to do the land mapping, 638.
So it's possible that they balance, they're in a balance.
They might be in the balance that did not turn up.
So this village is supposed to be relocated.
The issue.
No, what I want to know is this village among those that are supposed to be relocated?
Yes, but they have not received the 10.
I have no problem. That's why I'm here.
Exactly, yeah.
We are here to check and see if these people are in the danger zone and they received the 7 million and they are part of those who are supposed to be relocated. Why are they not? Why haven't they got the
One
money?
of the reasons is, Honorable
Can I
Prime
get?
Minister.
I want to see the beneficiaries themselves.
One of the reasons is that
Is here.
Nanyini wano. Ndio. Mujiveke nyumba yetu jikwate mfano.
Sembera yenyuma. Nyuma mututule kunzi. We, mutule kunzi. Kasha mwire.
Waneba. Wafuna milioni musanu. Wafuna. Oliyo mukubasanya okuva wano. Bwe tubanga tukuwadde milioni 10 ovaawo. Kubanga bagamba waliyo olunyanfa waggulu eyo olugenda okujja lukuziike. Olagawa ogenda eri ebunambutye oba osigala mu kyalo ayagala kusigala mu kyalo yensonga lwakiti yajja ku 10 aye ayagala kusigala wano katugenda kuwa milioni 10 bali luda waba Post Bank. I told you to come with Post Bank. You can go with us to Bunamutye where government has land, or you can stay in the Buduuda, or you can even go to Mbale City or Bale. What matters is for you to be alive, isn't it? The mission is to save life. Government is tired of seeing people buried now and again. Don't you think you are also tired? We are. As we speak now, I don't know how much money we have spent to exhume dead bodies, because I don't think we are rescuing anybody. So far, 36 bodies have been recovered. 36. The last one was seen yesterday evening by an excavator. You can imagine an excavator removing your head from your body. By the time, hey, there is a head in there. Can you imagine?